Hey guys and gals, this is Darius, and today I will be talking about our new app, NFT Collection Maker. Myself and entire Explain.io team is super excited about this app. I personally took entire 2 months not working on any other app just to make sure that this app is as great as possible and also as easy to use as possible. What NFT Collection Maker does is it creates generative art images from the part of the images, partly using artificial intelligence and partly using the special high-end algorithm to make sure it can create the best generative arts there is. And most importantly, it is so easy to use when somebody without any technical knowledge can use it. Anybody essentially who has the art or who can carry artist is now able to make those huge, massive collection of 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and 10,000 different art images. And what is very important, the software actually verifies that every and each single art is unique. Plus, of course, it can define rarity. You can set up any kind of rarity you imagine. And there is also a feature I didn't see in any other app ever, even both for programmers, when you can set up the single trait with multiple image. Usually traits are just one image, but if you want to achieve a great art effect, you can really go out of the way and use 2 or 3 parts. The simple example may be like a hoodie, and with the female model having curly hair, and the hoodie would not fit on it. So you can have different parts of a hoodie, and you can use part of a hoodie like having on back on the head instead of the top of the head for the hoodie to appear great. Also, of course, some part or traits does not work great with others. As with hoodie example, you don't want to have somebody with hoodie who already have a different hat. Yes, so with a top hat, you don't want the system to also generate the hoodie. Also, for example, if there is some ornament on the hair, you also don't want to have hoodie or maybe top hat on it. So the application allows for the disabling some combination of traits to make it really great. And I think we make it super affordable. When we are trying to find solution for our own collection, which is great actually, by the way, we'll be releasing it soon, we could not find any reputable agency except for one. Most of them were even shady or outright scam. And the one we contacted actually asked us to pay 4 to 5 ETH upfront, and then they wanted to add 20% of our money after sales. So, like if you sell for 1 million, you're paying 200,000 just for that. Plus, on top, they want 1% of our NFTs. I thought it is just not, doesn't make any sense to pay so much to have it created. So we decided to go ahead and see if there is another application on the market which does that. And after long search, we found nothing. So this is where I saw an opportunity to actually help ourselves and help our customers from our other products and artists to be able to do those big generative collection in a super easy way. Right now, when you go to the application, you just set the traits, you upload the part of the images, kind of like you will upload to Dropbox. Then you select the rarity settings, and then if you want to disable some traits with other traits, so I would say you can spend maybe half an hour, maybe to an hour on the settings, push the button, and all of those are produced. So after that, you have all those images ready to be minted to a blockchain. Also, if you are a partner and you're listening to this video, we are really happy that you are here because we want to see you also profiting from our work. So we create the affiliate program where we are paying 50%. And if you are in the internet marketing space or in the crypto space, or you are influencer in crypto space or NFT space, you're welcome to join our partner program. You will be paid 50% of every sales made with the NFT collection maker. It's as simple as joining the one of 2 platforms for this promotion. You just get your link and then you just tweet your link, you email your link, you put the link in your video, whatever case may be. And every sale you make, you will pay 50% for your recommendation. And not only that, this product is really awesome. Please take it to get the demo. Please contact me if you have a big list or if you are an influencer, you'll get a free access to it. And then you can see how great and how easy it is to use and how big value you are bringing to user, to your viewers, and to your followers. Thank you very much and have a great day.